I just want to share my first impressions. Like, really, guys, when I came here, I was honestly a bit frustrated, disappointed, because so today we're gonna have a quick raw apartment tour because my roommates are not around, so I feel a bit confident about that. So let's go. It's a nice place to just chill, get some sunlight. I just have to make sure in this area, and I think it will be good. So, what do you think about my apartment? Honestly, my first impression, I was quite frustrated with the setup because I had this idea or expectations about how a French apartment would look like based on what I've seen in vlogs on YouTube. And when I came here, it's like, this is not how I imagined it to be. And yeah, I think my boyfriend is right when he told me that maybe I just romanticized France that much. That's why I was just whining about my apartment situation to him. And then, yeah, that's one factor. And then second is that I know it should be expected, but I kind of felt a bit scared when I realized that all my roommates are men. And I'm in a foreign land, I'm a Filipina. I grew up in a conservative environment. I don't share a house with men. So that's like major for me. But then amazingly, I was able to talk to one of my roommates. And then because of him, I had an idea about who these people are that I'm sharing the apartment with. I had an idea about the dynamics and how we could work around with this setup. So somehow because of that, I kind of feel safe. For now, I feel safe. I think safety is the topmost priority. And next to that is like the cleanliness. And as long as I feel safe, I think I'm gonna be fine here. And I just have to like work around and how to make this apartment cleaner. Basically, this video is just to show you the reality that I have experienced here. Well, maybe it's not for everyone. Maybe you'll have a better situation. And this isn't really that bad at all. Well, but one thing's for sure, this is not a perfect situation. France is not perfect, but it's beautiful. And I guess this apartment is as well. So, yeah.